Hi guys, John here, Forex Fire, part of the Ninja Forex trading team. Okay, tonight is, I think it's episode 29 of Forex Fire TV. And tonight we're going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to sort of take it back to basics and I'm going to try and show you some tips, tricks, and some neat little features to your MT4. Okay, your MT4, whether that is on your actual desktop, your laptop, your notepad, your iPad, or your phone. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go over some little back office stuff that you can do to tidy up things on there. But on top of that, I'm going to show you a neat little trick with a quick little strategy with identifying doji candles and how you can trade those on your MT4. And not only that, we're going to be going over certain things like how you can see your spreads with regards to the ask and bid price. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to sort of set the alerts. So when you get something on your MT4 on your desktop, if you're out and about, you can get these on your phone as you are out and about. Okay. So first of all, I'm just going to share my screen. And like I say, thank you to everybody that will sort of comments, engages, likes, and most importantly, shares my content. It's greatly appreciated, because without the following, without the people that sort of engage and watch these and sort of comment, like, and things like that, I wouldn't be creating any other content. So thank you for all those that do take the time to watch my stuff. So you might want to watch this all the way through, because this is going to be full of loads of little tips and nuggets and tricks. Okay, but not only that, some of it you might know, some of it you might not. So grab a notepad and pen, follow along with this, and let's see if we can teach you something that you didn't know. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen and I'm going to get my MT4 on here. Okay, so this is just a demo. This is a demo account that's made up. Okay, so first of all, we're going to get this bid. Okay, so we're going to right click on here, and I do believe is a properties, we've got grid set to none. Okay, we want the grid, and we're going to make the grid midnight blue. Okay, so that's going to give you your price here. Okay, this is going to tell us where we are in the market at this given time. Okay, so from there, we'll right click and let's just take a look. Do apologize. Right click, properties. Let's go to common a minute. Show grid. So that's the grid there. To get rid of that, you're just going to go to that, and then that will take the grid away. So this is the show price. Okay, again, from there we are going to go to this thing called the dojis. We're going to go to volumes. We'll get rid of that in a moment. Got all this wrote down, guys, because I was taking notes from something I was watching before. Right click, properties, show volumes, and then we go from there. Let's just take a look. So we just go into here, properties, chart shift, chart auto scroll, colors, volumes line green. So we want the volumes to be, on this occasion, I'm going to do it on the red. Let's just take a look. And what will happen is, if we scroll back, we'll take it down a time frame and we'll look for a doji. See, well, we've got one here. Okay, I want to get rid of the auto scroll, so I do apologize. Common, auto scroll, that takes that off. Right, so we're looking for these dojis. Okay, guys, so let's just scroll, looking for these green. Keep going back. So we've got one here. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of a tip, a trick on what we're doing. So what we're looking for is the downtrend. Okay, so waiting for the break and then the retest. So what will happen is you just put this on here. Okay, so what happens is, on this, you've got a downtrend coming down. You've got a downtrend coming down, obviously. Okay, now when you get these markers coming down, you are waiting for the break. Obviously, you're coming back up, you're waiting for the break and retest of this horizontal area, and then you're going to buy the market in this instance. So this here, we're going to mark it from here. Again, we want to get these properties, colors, foreground. Click OK. Right. So that there. On this here, you'll see three separated numbers. So what you've got, the first number, okay, that's 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles. Do you see where the first digits is changing? That's how many candles, okay? The one where it says 49, that tells us how many pips. You drop the last number and that'll tell you how many pips. So what we've got is from here, okay, guys, and I hope you're taking notes, from here to here, the first number is the amount of candles. That's 13 candles. The second number where this went to is telling us how many pips. So this would have caught you 10 pips, okay? And then the last sort of digits with a decimal point in there, that is where the price currently went to, okay? So what we'll do is you're going to have a look at the doji here, okay? We had a bit of a downtrend, okay? So let's mark this up. You're coming down, you're waiting for the retest, and then you're going to sell, okay? So let's see how many pips. You had a little bit of drawdown of around about 1 pip, but then the market came down and gave us 20 pips. Now, you can back test this yourself if you wish. You can test this time and time again. If you want to know how to delete your lines as well, okay, guys, let's just put a couple of lines on here. If you want to know how to delete your lines, all you need to do is just click on it, delete, click backspace, okay? So from here, you've got a downtrend, okay? Let's get this marked out. You're waiting for the break to come down. You're waiting for the break, retest, buy. And again, guys, this market, it shifted up for 14 pips. Okay, let's go back on the market. Let's just see if we can find another. There we have, guys, there's one here. Okay, we've come down, we've had a break, it's come back along here. That one wouldn't have been a successful one. Let's take a look. We want somewhere we've got a bit of a trend. Let's get rid of this, get rid of that. Right, so again, bit of a downtrend. You wait for the break, retest on the money, and then you buy it. 8 pips. And again, if we go on the hourly, let's just see if we can find one on the hourly. Let's scroll back. The bigger the time frame, the bigger the move, okay? So again, let's mark that up. You come down, you have a break. There's your break. There's your retest to the pip. Bang. 102 pips, guys. Just to prove it wasn't a fluke. Just highlight this. Get rid of this. Just take a look, see if we can find another doji. And the dojis, obviously, the higher the time frame, obviously, the less they're going to appear. But when they do, you're in for some gold. You're in for some gold moves. It's just, right. It was consolidation, so it was no need for that one to try that. Let's take a look. We're bound to come across one. Because all doji candles are is indecision, okay? So here's one here, okay? We've had the downtrend, okay? Bit of consolidation. Mark that up, okay? Let's just... There we have it, guys. You've come down, you've had the break. You've come down, the retest didn't quite happen here. It got it here, and then it's come right down. It's retested a couple of times, and then it's marked its way down. Again, from there, it has gone to around about 40 pips, down to here. It's gone for about 110 pips. So that's a little bit of a show and tell on a doji candle, okay? and just how you can trade that on your MT4. Again, it can work on TradingView. It's a little bit of a tip from me. We went over the horizontal line, how you delete those, where you just click on it and hit backspace and it'll just delete everything one by one. Now, what we're going to look at is, we've done the crosshair, the number of candles. Okay, the second one is the number of pips. The last one is where the price is at the moment. And then we're going to go to, let's just have a look at this. Share screen. Now we're going to go to properties. We've got the ask line. The ask line, we're going to be going, put this to green. Okay, let's have a look. Just move me along there. Let's go down there. Properties. Just want to see if I'm getting on the right one, guys, so just bear with me. Bar up line, volumes, ask line. One-click trade. Now, on one-click trading, what you want to do is, before you do anything on one-click trading, you want to set your sort of limits and things like that. Okay. So what you've got, let's just scroll back. Let's just go back to the market. Again, we've got this on a 5-minute chart at the minute. Let's get this caught up. There we have it, guys. Right, so what we've got, guys, as you can see here, okay, you've got two areas, two lines. Now, if we go to the properties, we've got the area where we're at, and you've got your spread area, okay? So this is where the current price is, okay? This is your sort of ask price, okay? So what we'll do is we'll change the ask line to the red. Okay, that's your spread line. Okay, this line here on the properties and the stop, this is where the broker line is at the moment. Okay, so again, we're going to leave this on a lime green. Let's see if we can get this on. Ask line red, stop levels lime green. Right, so what you've got, guys, okay, if you are wanting to set, accept that. Right, so let's see what you've got is here. Okay, this is where you want your sell limit to trigger. Okay, and your price comes up. Okay, the red line is where the price is. Sorry. Okay, so when this comes up and touches, you might miss out by about 1 or 2 pips, and this happens time and time again. You don't know where to set your spread, your areas. Okay, let's just scroll in a little bit more. So what you need to do is sort of get your, let's have a look. Need to draw a square. Shapes, it's insert, rectangle, and you're going to sort of draw this out, okay? That there, guys, is your spread, okay? So what you can do that here, okay? Now, you know that that's the distance between your spread, okay? So if you want to get it on a sell limit, you just simply draw the box, and then come down. That's your new entry area. Okay, so that's a little bit of a tip with regards to the ask line and your spreads and how to differentiate where you can get in on your trades and where not to, because again, there'll always be some sort of spread change or pippage between your asking and the bid price. Okay, guys, and this will always change, especially when there's swaps and things like that. So again, over the course of the midweek, you might find that these are bigger. So again, if that's your sort of sell limit and you're looking on TradingView, but obviously you're coming on at MT4 to set your trade, and that's your sell limit, but you want to know where you are with your spreads. Okay, you've got these lines on now. You just simply just put that to where the sell limit is, okay? And then you know that that's your spread. Your sell limit is going to activate once you hit this area here. So then you just drag your sell limit to that area. So then you know when this line, even though this line here will be on the top, you know your get in line or your get in asking price is going to be on the bottom of this box. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, this is where I want things to sort of get a lot easier for you. I'm at work a lot and I like to have notifications on my phone, especially when I'm working from MT4. A lot of TradingView stuff I've been doing lately, I've been noticing I've been missing out on trades. Like, TradingView is great. I've been missing out on a few trades when it comes to getting alerts and setting these on my MT4. With me doing what I'm doing on here now and having these sort of little tips and tricks, you can actually set up your MT4 to give you an alert on your phone. Okay, now to do that, what you need to do is you open the MT4 in your phone settings. Okay, I mean, I'm just going to get that on your MT4 in your phone settings. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go on the bottom. There's a speech bubble on the bottom right hand corner. You click on that, and then on the very top there's an MQID. Okay, I don't know whether you can see that on the very top. There's an MQID on the very top there, and then you're going to press that. That'll give you a serial number. Okay, on that serial number you need to then head back over to your MT4. Okay, you're going to go to tools, you're going to go to options, and then you're going to input that here. Okay, you're going to input that on the chart there, and this is going to notify you when you get an alert. Okay, so I'm just going to let you hear this. So if we go into test, so that'll test it. Enable push. There we are. We need to get this alert on here. Right, I'll try that now. So if I test that there, and again, me app was open. Try one more time. Sorry, guys. There we are. You hear that? One more time. One more time. There you go, guys. Now, when you open that up, you'll see on there, you'll get all your notifications with regards to what's happened on your MT4. Okay. Great tip, that, and that's helped me get into many more trades. Okay. So that's another quick tip. From on there, you can actually set alerts. Okay. So you can just get onto here. Where we at? So just going to turn that off, guys, just so it's not going to annoy you, to be fair. Right, so from there you can set an alert. Let's go to trading, set an alert. Okay, so you go to trade, right click, set an alert. This here, you'll see here you've got an alert. So you've got a bid. Okay, you can put a bid. So you can see when the price comes to here, it looks as if that's going to break structure here. You're going to right click, you're going to double click with the left button. Okay, you want the sound to be a notification, so that'll come through to your phone with a ding. Okay, from there you can see simple thing like break of structure, sell now for 10 pips. Or you can put in the price of where you're at, what you want to set as your stop loss and what you want to set as your take profit. And then when that goes off, you will get an alert, okay? So what we'll do is we'll just do that. Just see if I can get this alert to go off to show you. You get the picture. So with that in mind, again, let's just go over that one more time. Right click, trading, alert. Bring it down to here. Right click twice, alert. You want to go into sound, notification. And I'll just put tester alarm on here. And just click OK. We'll see, this is going to go up and down while it's doing that. And there's another thing I'm wanting to sort of go over, which I'm going to do in another trade. And this has just been a very quick and a brief sort of overview on some tips and tricks. Watch the video back, see if there's anything that you've taken away from it. If you want to learn a little bit more with this in mind, I'm finding my trading has become a lot better now that I'm just solely using the MT4 on my desktop and on my phone rather than TradingView a lot. I'm starting to get a lot more quality trades and things like that. Okay, there's something else I wanted to show, which was I'm going to see if I can find where this is. It was charts, tools, Windows view. Let's have a look. All right, so it was tools, insert, indicators, custom, zigzag, okay, common, inputs, backstep 3, colors, deviation, width I want to put on as 3. Click OK. Now these here, guys, this is fantastic. This is something I'm going to show you basically on what I'm going to do later in the week, maybe at the weekend when I'm off. This is identifying swing highs and swing low points. Okay, guys. So this stuff here is vital when it comes to trading certain strategies that we use and sort of techniques. But I'm going to show you a very powerful way in how you can sort of trade simple things. Let's have a look. Get a touch and a touch. Simple things like a break and a retest from a break of structure. Okay, let's just see if I can find something on here. Just see if we can find something right. So we'll try here. I mean, this is just going to be some added extra secret sauce. So again, you've got here. And then you've got this here. I'm not going to go into too much detail what that's all about, but there's going to be some great training coming on my Facebook wall. If you're watching this on YouTube, you just need to click on that button just to get to that group. So there's going to be some great training on that. And again, it's phenomenal, the stuff that I've been showing you there with regards to the doji candles. Watch that video back and just try it. You'll be amazed on just how good it is, how precise that is. You can get yourself 10, 15 pips at a time on just on using that alone. That combined with showing you how to set up your MT4 to get alerts on your phone from your very own broker's MT4 app on the phone, rather than getting alerts on the TradingView, because again, you can have variance between the TradingView to what you have on your own MT4 with your broker. I've been finding that has been invaluable to my trading, to be fair. So again, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching all my content. This might not have been for everybody, but again, I'm not here to please everybody. I'm here to please the few that are learning the bits and pieces from the stuff that I put out there. Okay, so even if one person can take away that little bit of value for what I do when I produce these little videos, then I've done my job. Okay. So again, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for your engagement. I look forward to speaking to the guys that are in the group later in the week with regards to the sessions that we have, okay, and what the pips that we've been catching. Okay, guys. So again, thank you very much. Comment, like, and share. And if you've been watching this video and someone shared this video, get back to the person who has shared this on their wall, because they'll get you involved with this great community. Okay, guys. So that's just been a little bit of snippets, a little bit of back to basics, a little bit of how you can sort of heighten your MT4 that little bit better to make it work for you. Okay. So again, guys, thanks very much. Drop us a little comment below and let me know if anything that I've done on there has sort of given you a little bit more of a ha-ha moment with regards to even if it was setting up your phone, the doji strategy, the little doji strategy, which you can easily do on the MT4 yourself. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. I'll catch you later. Thank you.